Hello guys, Mel here with Abstract Fitness. Today our life we can focus on your balance because I see a lot of people at the gym, guys, with big muscles, but you know what? Their balance is terrible. So even if you are an advanced trainee, try to always be on one leg to do different exercises, okay? This is what I do all the time. Balance has to be practiced. Now, for when we're going to be older, 70, 80, 90 years old, we need to avoid fall and break bones. So grab a chair if you need support. Let's get started. Okay, we're going to start with the knee up, and I'm going to give you options as well. You can use one figure on your chair. You can even use two if you are a beginner or seniors. Okay, shoulders are down and back. Lift your chest, abs are tight. Try to bring your left knee up and bring your toes up. Obviously, if you don't need the chair, don't use it. That's your option one. You try to lift that leg as high as you can. If you want to work harder, lengthen that leg. You're going to work more your hip flexors. Good, lift the chest. That's it. Breathe. Don't forget we have two legs. Now, you can put one finger on your chair. You're going to understand why. Close your eyes. Anytime it's too much because you feel it too much in your quads, just bend your knee. Oh, good. And release, open your eyes. Good. It's way harder when we close our eyes because we lose the horizon. Okay, let's go with the other leg. Same thing here. Lift the heart. Bring your knee as high as you can. Look straight ahead. If you can lengthen that leg. Good. Do you want to try again to close your eyes? Oh, I feel it more in my left than my right. Good. Close your eyes. I'm going to use just a little finger here on my chair. Good. And release. Okay. I'm going to go to the other side. I'm going to open my leg to the side. Right here. Allow if we can hold it. Nice and tall. Good. Can you reach one arm up? If you need support, you keep your chair. Can you reach both? Star. Good. Breathe. That's it. Again, if you want to close your eyes, go ahead, but keep supporting yourself. There we go. Good. 4, 3, 2, and release. Good job. Let's switch side. It's a lot of work, seriously. Okay. Usually at the gym, I'm going to use a Bosu ball or even a disc on my foot, but here I don't have anything. Just being on one foot, it's enough to practice balance. And you know what? This is something you can do in your kitchen behind the counter at any time. Brushing your teeth, go on one leg. Okay, let's go again. One arm. If you can, both arms up. Good. Can you close your eyes? Again, you're welcome to use support. I'm way more wobbly on my right leg than my left. Good. Good. And release. Okay, now I'm going to bring my leg behind. So bend your knee. And I want to see your knees parallel to each other. Shoulders down and back. Lift the chest. Bring that leg more to the back. That's what's going to work more your hamstrings and your glutes. Okay, hold it. Breathe. That's it. Now, if you want to lengthen your leg, go ahead. Hinge from the hips. Keep your hips parallel to each other. Open your arms in T-shape if you want to work harder in your upper back. Good. And slowly release. Okay, we have two legs. I'm just going to turn around to face you. So same thing here. Bend your other knee. There we go. Breathe. That's it. If you want to close your eyes, go ahead. And then you can lengthen your leg to make it harder. In option 3, hinge from the hips. Hips parallel to each other. Abs are tight. And again, arms in T-shape if you want. Are you breathing? Good. And release and move your hips. I'm going to go back here on my left. One leg circle, optional again to use one finger on the chair. Let's go. 4, 3, nice and slow, there's no rush. 2, and reverse. So every time we move, it's harder to keep our balance because we are creating some instability and we need to stay stable. Good, let's switch it up. Same thing, shoulders down and back. When you're ready, circle. Again, you can use one finger on your chair. 3, 2, and reverse. Let's go again. 5, 4, 3. Feel the work in the opposite here. Good. And one more. Beautiful. And slowly release. Okay, we're going to do a squat. You're going to understand why. You can stop right here, the video, but if you want to work harder, stay with me. Open your legs right here. You're going to bend your knees for squats. Go up, tippy toes. Use support again if you need it. Down, inhale, exhale, tippy toes. Now, if you want to work harder, down, up, and reach tippy toes. Again, down, up, reach tippy toes. Another option for you here. Down, up, transfer your weight to the side, bring your arms up in star. And then we're just going to switch our legs. So here I want you to go nice and slow because it's way harder for balance. Down, up. So make sure when you do your squat, you're staying in the middle. Okay, feel the weight equal on both legs. I have another option for you. Let's go down. Lift one leg and then the other and up. So listen to your joints. 4, 3, 2. Show me your belly button. Good. Can we go both? 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, and 2. That's it. One more. Good. And slowly release and march it out. We're going to go on the floor. So pause this video. Go grab your mat. Let's go on your all fours right here. Spread your fingers. If it's too hard for your wrist, you can do fist. And then I'm going to do the bird dog. So I'm going to engage my shoulders. Abs are tight. Lengthen one leg. Flex the foot. So your toes are very close to the floor. And then try to lift the opposite arm and the leg. And if you can, opposite arm by your ear. Pinky finger down, thumb up. Just hold it here. Shoulders and hips are parallel to each other. Breathe. Good. And slowly release. We have 2 legs, 2 arms. So again, engage shoulders, core. Slowly extend your leg. Flex the foot. And before you try to lift your hand off the mat here, find your balance first. Again, check your muscles if they are engaged. And then bring your arm. That's it. And slowly release. Okay, I'm going to do another one. You're going to lift the same arm, same leg. Trust me, it won't be easy. Okay, I'm going to start again. My left leg. Transfer your weight to the right. And try to bring your left arm. So same arm, same leg. Feel all that work in your shoulder, in your hip on the right side. Good. And release. We're going to switch. Again, shoulders, abs. Slowly extend your right or your other leg. Transfer your weight to the left. If you can, left arm up. No, right arm up. Our weight is on the left. Good. And slowly release. I'm going to do one more. We're still in the bird dog. I'm going to turn my mat to be in diagonal. And you're going to see me a little bit better here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to move my arm and leg a tiny bit sideways. So I'm going to go back opposite arm than the leg. So right here, leg, find a balance, and then we're going to go out and in to inhale, exhale, inhale. So the body doesn't move, it's just your hip and arm joint, your shoulder joint. That's it. And one more. Good. And release. Now I'm going to face you, and let's switch our arm and leg. Let's go with your leg. Again, find your balance. When you're ready, right here, move out and in. Inhale, exhale, and two more. Good. This is so good to work your abs and core at the same time. Good. And slowly release. Voila. That was my short video to improve your balance. Don't be afraid to repeat this one often, minimum once a week. If you want more videos of this style, go on my website, www.abstractfitness.ca. Thank you for watching. See you soon.